Circle B Bar Reserve is a 1,267 acre wilderness area that boasts large amounts of wildlife and natural habitat. It's a former cattle property which is connected to Lake Hancock. The earliest property maps were made in 1927, and extensive efforts have been taken by Polk County and the Southwest Florida Water Management District to restore the wetlands habitat. The property was purchased in 2000, and since then you've seen a lot of wetlands restoration. A lot of the areas around Lake Hancock look different, and it's one of many projects in Central Florida dedicated to scaling back what human development created. Restoring wetlands, restoring natural habitats, much like the Disney Wilderness Preserve, which we've already visited, which is also partly in Polk County, but much of it's in Osceola County as well. The Polk County Natural Discovery Center is actually also on this property, and it's quite a wonder. We're going to explore that another time. But there are 9 really interesting trails at the Circle B Bar Reserve. Have not done all of them yet, have done many of them. The Lost Bridge Trail, we have a separate video about. There's the Marsh Rabbit Trail, which is very nice. The Shady Oak Trail, where you're seeing a lot of pictures from in this video. The Heron Hideout Trail, which is a short trail with no shade, so it's really brutal in summer. Probably going to go back there in the fall, among other trails. The Alligator Alley Trail is where you see the most alligators, eagles, ospreys, most birds also on the premises, and it abounds Lake Hancock. So enjoy the rest of these pictures from Circle B Bar Reserve in Polk County, and kudos to Polk County and the Southwest Florida Water Management District for what they've done to restore this habitat. That's Lake Hancock, by the way, and the Alligator Alley portion of the trail.